Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, seeing a network error message is totally bad. It's out of nowhere. I know it's common, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So Perplexity AI is cloud-based. It totally needs a stable connection to fully work. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix network error in Perplexity AI, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First, you want to check your internet connection. As a cloud-based service, Perplexity requires a consistent and reliable internet connection. As for the quick fixes, toggle airplane mode on and off, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then run a speed test, aim for at least like 5 megabytes per second, then try to restart your router. Network hiccups are totally common. Unplug your router for like 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. You can also try to disable the VPN if you are using any. According to Perplexity's official support, VPNs frequently cause network errors due to the Cloudflare settings. So if you are using any, temporarily disable them and test again. Check the firewall settings. Your firewall might be blocking Perplexity outbound HTTPS requests. On Windows, it's easily accessible on Control Panel, Windows Defender, Firewall. Click Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Find Perplexity or even your browser. Ensure both private and public boxes are checked. If missing, click Change Settings and allow another app to add it. And that's it, the whole idea is here. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.